Marc Goodin from Storage Authority Franchise. And as you know, we do self-storage 24/7 and we love to share great ideas. Today I want to show you how to use the Nearby tool in Google so you can see what's happening in your area. And that's real simple. You just type in the address of your property. Up comes a map with Google Map, and you click on that map. On the left-hand by, there will be a tab Nearby. You click on that, and then in the search bar, you type in self-storage, and you click Go. Once you do that, you'll have a map that has your location of your land that you're looking at and all the facilities nearby. You can click and see how many miles it is, how long of a drive it is, and then on the left-hand side, all the self-storage's websites will be there, so it's an easy click to see what their prices are. In the end, you're looking to rent, not only to fill up, but fill up at premium prices. So this is a good tool to start your search with.